Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, as you can see, you have the brown box. You got the swoosh on the top. More than sure y'all already know what this is by the box. But if not, you see this side is plain. This longer side is plain. Right here, all you have is the label. What we have is the 10 Nike Zoom Fly in Tulip Pink and Racer Pink. Now, opening the box, you see you have the inside out box where you have the orange Nike things on the inside instead of the outside. See that off-white paper? Pretty typical of the off-white thing, you know what I'm saying? So after opening it up, man, it comes double wrapped. You got the off-white paper, then you have some white paper. Okay? So make sure you understand that now. But enough of that, man. Let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is. The 10 Off-White Nike Zoom Fly SP in Racer Pink and Tulip Pink. Now, this shoe, this is not for me. I don't wear pink or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? But I did have somebody that wanted me to get a pair for them. And they happened to be coming pick up the shoe, you know what I'm saying? So at the end, we're going to do a on foot and everything gonna be kosher, you feel me? So like I say, man, I think it's a nice shoe. Not for me, you know what I'm saying, but I think it's a nice shoe. I don't understand all the hype, but it is what it is, man. Now looking at the bottom, you see you have the all pink. Here's from the side, see the foam on the sole. There's a look from the top, the back, see your pull tab, the strip on it. Medial side, you see the off-white branding. And there's from the front. Here's the top. I mean, it's, you know, I don't go crazy behind this off-white stuff, man, you know, but to each his own, man, you know, so it is what it is, man. Here's a look at the laces that come in the shoes. You know, shoelaces written on it. It comes with another pair of laces, some black ones with shoelaces written in orange, you know, so I expect to see a lot of that when you see pictures of these shoes, you know what I'm saying? So now looking at the other shoe, everything is identical. There's no difference between the two. Now there's that glossy effect on that swoosh. You see the stitching. You see the little orange off-white tab. I mean, it's a well put together shoe. You know, it's typical off-white fashion. You know, you see the glossiness all around the shoe, and the pink and the orange, and you see the see-through effect. I mean, hey, it is what it is, man. You know, so like I say, here's the shoe. I mean, it's all on you. You know, I thought this was a women's shoe only, but what do I know, huh? There's another look at the medial side, man. You see the off-white branding again. There's that back pull tab with the stripe on it. Here's a look at the inside. You have the 10 in off-white, that signature sign that you see on the inside of the off-white soles. Give you a better look at it. There it is, the 10 with the off-white little logo. You know, there's that Nike sportswear off-centered on the tongue. I mean, it is what it is, man. It's a nice shoe, man. I don't know how they're going to do or whatnot. Most likely they're going to sell out because everybody try to jump on these when they releasing, man, and try to make them a quick flip. You know what I'm saying? I don't knock that. It is what it is. I try to get me some of that action, too. I be taking L sometime, though, you know, so. Here's a look at that off-white tag, that dog tag. This one is in blue. So, I mean, it is what it is, man. You know, let me know what you feel about them, man. You feeling them, you're not. Gonna try to get them for your shorty or get them for yourself or whatever the case is, man, you know, so let me know how you feel about it. Make sure y'all stick around, man, because we're gonna put these things on feet, man, and let y'all see what's happening with it, man. Now, as you can see, that upper is see-through, so don't trip. You hear me? Don't trip looking at these pictures thinking it's something else, you know what I'm saying? So here's a different look at the shoe. You know how I like to take it under these other lights, you know what I'm saying, and give you a better look at it, man. Overall, like I say, I think the shoe is okay. I prefer the black pair. I'm gonna be doing a review on that one next. But I got a lot of shoes that I'm trying to put out, man. I got the Mocha 3s. I got the Air Raid 8s. I got a new pair of Adidas that I gotta do, man. I got the black ones like this, so kind of backed up right now, man. I'm gonna try to push that out for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all stick around or stay tuned or hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications on, you understand what I'm saying? So, it is what it is, man. Like I say, man, this shoe not for me. There's a look at that foam. I forgot to show y'all up close. And there's that brand, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, it is what it is, man. That was my look at the Off-White Nike Zoom Fly SP and the Tulip Pink and Racer Pink colorway. Follows on Instagram at Pelazaire504. Let's get into the on foot and I'ma holla back.